right. It's fucking snowing. It's April 27th, 2019, April 27th, and it's fucking snowing. Look, snow on the ground. Are you kidding me? Why the hell is it snowing in late April? Jeez! And I'm wearing this fucking... It's like in the 30s. 35 degrees, I think. And it's fucking snow in late April? I thought I was done wearing this stupid-ass heavy jacket until at least November. No! Instead, I have to wear it again. In fucking late April. Are you kidding me? God! It's too late to be snowing, for God's sakes. I'm taking out the trash. Hang on. Put this in my pocket. Look at this. Yeah. My God. Are you kidding me? It's too late. Whoever thought it would be snowing in late April? It's supposed to be in the 60s or 70s this time of year, not fucking 30s and snowing. God. Now I gotta wear this. I thought I was done wearing this jacket for good until fucking fall. But no, I have to wear it again in late May. And the thing is, earlier this week, it was in the fucking 70s and 80s. Monday, it reached 81 degrees, or I think it was 80. Yeah, it was 81 degrees. Sunday and Monday, both were in the 80s. We had some 70s and 60s, but now we have 30s and snow. The snow doesn't want to fucking go away. It just wants to come back. Oh. What part of go away do you not get snow? What season do you think it is? Do you think it's still fucking January or February? No! Pull your head out of your ass, Mother Nature. It's fucking late April. In a couple months, it's gonna be summer. My God. And 2 months from now, it'll be summer. I don't know. This is just ridiculous. I think this is like sleet or whatever. Snow and rain mixed. I swear, this past winter, it was even worse than 2013-14 and 14-15. I thought that those 2 winters were bad. Holy crap, this is even worse. I mean, we had record-breaking cold back in fucking late January. We reached a minus 25 degrees, minus 50 wind chills. And yeah, it just will not stop snowing. Look at these cars. Hope these people don't see me. Look at this. Snow on the cars. Jeez. Louise. Snow on the cars. Snow on the houses. And I also gotta be careful because it seemed a little slippery at some places. Oh. This is really odd. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to the store because I want to get some beer like I usually do on Saturdays, and usually Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays I usually get beer. That's what I'm going to do. In this stupid ass snow when it's supposed to be fucking warm, but instead it's snowing. But anyways, yeah, and I bring the backup iPhone in case the battery dies, because when it's cold the battery seems to die fast. So yeah, I'll record more. Yeah, I may not record too much because it's fucking wet as hell out here. And it's cold. The battery may die fast and this stupid ass. Oh. God, it's fucking. I think it's sleep. It's fucking knocking my damn. The wind is, but the sleet hitting my face, it fucking hurts. Feels like needles are hitting my face. Jeez. God, Mother Nature, wake the hell up. Wake up. Winter's over. Go away. Go away, snow. I don't fucking know. Wake the hell up, snow. Winter's over. It's time for spring. It's spring, for God's sakes. Oh, and I have to wear my crappy shoes because I don't want to get my new pair, my good pair, all muddy and dirty. Yeah, plus I don't want this thing to get too wet. Alright, here's this Planet Fitness building. I'm gonna walk under here instead of the fucking parking lot. Jewel-Osco over there. I'm gonna walk, because this is where it's dry. Dry off a little bit. I would usually just continue walking this way, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Just stay a little dry. Vito and Nick's Pizza. Just a pizza place. Oh. This is a joke. Yeah, like places like Chicago, Milwaukee, like anywhere in Illinois, Wisconsin, like northern Illinois, Wisconsin. I heard Minnesota got snow earlier. That's what someone on Twitter told me. I posted a post on Twitter about this weather, and someone told me that it snowed in Minnesota earlier. I gotta cross 95th. Hate crossing that street, and the speedway over there. Yeah, it's not the rain. It's basically rain mixed with snow. It's rain and snow both mixed together. It's making the ground all slushy and puddly. Gotta fucking change my socks when I get home because, it's laundromat. Got water in my damn shoes. The soap opera laundromat. This better be the last snow. I mean it. I swear to God, if it snows again, like this time of year, if it snows in May, we have another snowstorm soon, like anytime soon, I'll lose. I'll smack a wall. I'll fucking break something. But, you know, this is the Midwest, people. This is Midwest weather. Fucking snow in fucking late April. It's an eye doctor. Once upon a child. Wait a minute. No wonder. This place used to be Aaron's. Now it's in an abandoned place. I think I already recorded it once. It was inside the building. You may not be able to see. There's like a little glare. I forgot what Aaron's was. I think it was like a place that sold like TVs or whatever. Like electronics. I don't know. Something like that. It's this grocery store. Jewel-Osco. should come here and get beer. Nah, I'd rather go to Speedway. Okay, better. Now back into this fucking rain. Into the wet part. No cars better be fucking turning. I don't want to get honked at. Beep! Don't do that, bastard ass cars. Oh man. Shit. Come on, dumb cars. God. I'm gonna turn around. Okay. Let's get back into the shelter. The where it has a roof. I think this is like, I don't know what this place. This is like a salon. Look at this. This is, I think, is a barber. Arby's. And across the street, I hope I don't have a hard time crossing it. Oh crap! Bastard! Cocksucker! Come on! I can easily cross. No, there has to be fucking bastard ass cars. I'll wait. I just wish I could hurry the hell up. Come on, great, there's a car turning from fucking Arby's. I don't want to wait much longer. For God's sakes, the light is red there. Okay, hurry up. Okay, I could go. But I think the record, the latest it's ever snowed in this area was fucking May of 1940. It literally snowed in May of 1940. Well, hopefully we don't have to deal with that. It better not snow in fucking May, June, or July, or August. Or September. October, still don't really think it should snow in October. That's when it starts to get cold, a little cold, but it doesn't start to get really cold until like November. Yeah. I've been recording for 7 minutes non-stop. I may take a break of recording when I get in the Speedway. Oh, great. Okay, I gotta be very careful. Could be wet snow. Can I get a 6-pack? God, I can't see it. My eyes are all foggy. Do they have Miller High Life? Jeez, they're all out of beer. All out of the ones I want, at least. I'm gonna have to use my debit card because I only got a couple dollars in cash. What should I get? You know what? Yeah. I'll get a couple beers. I'll record more. Alright. I'm at a Speedway. Hang on, let me make sure something. Alright. I had to use my debit card to pay. Usually I like to use. Hang on. It's hard to put this in my pocket. You see? This is what I gotta deal with in the fucking. Sorry, the picture was all white. Alright, now I gotta cross the street on the way back. Yeah, I was gonna get Miller High Life. That would have cost like a little over $2 with the credit card, or I would only have to use the cash. But since they didn't have Miller High Life, every other beer would be a little more expensive. So I just had to use my debit card. I got 2 Miller Genuine Drafts and a Coors Light. Speed limit 35, don't go any faster than that. Debit card. I'll walk a little more further down. I think I can cross soon. After this car hurries the hell up, I could go. Okay. Alright. PGN Jewelers, I think it's a jewelry store. Do the shopping cart. Do the shopping cart. It's from that those Staples back to school commercials in 2014. In my back to school, when I would make videos in like 2014 or whatever, 2015, when I would do videos making fun of back to school commercials, I remember I would do that. Make sure no cars are coming. Alright. Barry Trotz. That guy looked like fucking Barry Trotz, you know, the New York Islanders coach who used to be the Washington Capitals head coach. Who won the Stanley Cup with the Capitals last year and is now the Islanders coach. This guy. Oh god, I hope that person didn't think I was taking a picture, recording them. Loyola Medicine. It's like a doctor's, it's like a waiting room where you wait for the doctor to call you for your turn, you know. Waiting rooms are so fucking boring. You just sit there staring at other people staring at you. Unless you have like a smartphone, you could just use that to entertain yourself before the doctor calls your name. I hated going to the waiting room at the orthodontist. They would usually have a TV, but they would play these boring Disney movies. Let's go into the laundromat. Why did I go in here? I just went in there for no reason. Hopefully they weren't... Oh god, I hope that lady didn't think I was recording her. I hope she doesn't come out and yell at me. That'll piss me off. Yeah, I'm probably gonna record a little bit more. Just look at that. That's not normal for this time of year. Once upon a child, sell, buy, repeat. There's like strollers or whatever. They have like stuff attached to them just to so people don't steal them. If you want to buy that, you gotta have the workers come out and, you know, make you pay for it. No loitering, no skateboarding or bicycle riding or on sidewalk. Anyways, excuse me. I'm gonna record more. Well, what do you fucking know? The battery died. Because of this cold weather. Of course. So I have to, luckily I bring this back up. I don't know how long this will last. The battery usually seems to die a lot faster in the cold with this than the other one. Right, because this is an older model. But I'll for sure record a little bit when I get home, for sure. I definitely have to probably change my socks when I get home, because my socks are all wet because all these puddles. Excuse me, I burped. Excuse me. Behind this Plaza building, there's Vito's Nick's. Yep, this is behind the Vito and Nick's. Well, that's the Planet Fitness. There's a golf course down. If you can see, hang on. The fucking camera's probably all foggy. Hang on, let me. I apologize. See, making it all foggy. That's a golf course down there. I would zoom, but this one doesn't have a fucking zoom button. The iPhones did not start getting a zoom button until the iPhone 5S, I think. I think the iPhone 5 or 5S, I don't know. This one's the iPhone 4S. It's like a really older iPhone. But yeah, I'm gonna have to put that iPhone in the charger when I get home for a couple minutes, just to, then it'll be back to normal. It'll probably be at like 60% or whatever, or 70. I don't know. Make sure it's focused right. Alright, guys, I'm home. The battery died yet again on the other one, so I couldn't record at all on the way home. I'm kind of pissed, but kind of figured that would happen. Excuse me, my voice cracked. Hate when that happens. Gotta put this one in the charger. Let's do 4S. I think I'm putting it in wrong. Gotta turn it around a little. Hard to do that while holding this headband. Yeah.
What do you want to accomplish, say, between on your third? That's like, I've got 8 years till then,
But yeah. It's fucking raining and snowing outside. My hair's a little wet still. But you see this thing? Crap. Who knew I would have to wear this thing again? I mean, for God's sakes. I mean, I already thought I didn't need to use that again until November. That's why now I would clip these gloves with the jacket. Like what I would do, what would I, like this thing over here, I would clip the, I'm gonna do it now. It's hard to do with the camera. Alright. Crap. Alright. I'm gonna hang this up. I swear to God. I better not fucking have to use this again until fucking fall. November. Maybe October. Hang on. I'm sorry. I better not have to use you again until fall. Okay? Same with this Cubs jacket. I better not have to use that again, at least till October. That's the lighter one. But anyways, yeah. My beers that I got. Got 3 of them. Sorry guys, the memory got full. So fuck Taylor Swift. Anyways, yeah, I got this, a Coors Light. I had a High Life last night. And an MGD. The hell am I even watching? I don't know what the hell I'm watching. I'm on NBC because I was watching the hockey game earlier. I got another one. Fuck Taylor Swift. Go to the... There's a hockey game on. I think there is. Ah, it's up next. It's gonna be the Blue Jackets and Bruins. Oh, look at the baseball game. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be the White Sox game and they got postponed. The Cubs play up next against the Diamondbacks. It's just Wheel of Fortune.
Two H's. Praise.
I'll watch Wheel of Fortune.
One S. Anybody has some money? 3 seconds.
Let's see what the puzzle is.
Done. One L. $4,500.
Look on the right side.
Yeah, that's it. He's been hot here lately. Another $4,500. You seem almost apologetic for you.
No, I'm happy.
Oh, good. Oh, good. $28,198. Plenty to be happy about. Stay right here. We'll talk about the bonus round in a moment. Okay? have $3,050. We sure enjoyed having you.
Thank you so much.
Sandy. Bye-bye. Well, my friend, you hardly had a chance to play, I'm afraid. I'm going to get down to the studio. You hardly...
$1,000, still good.
We appreciate you being here. We have
Better than nothing.
Thank you very much. Okay. So, ready? We're going to head to the bonus round in a moment. You're going to choose from one of these categories: person, living thing, and what are you wearing?
What are you wearing?
That's what we play for.
Okay.
I think the more specific.
Or whatever. I don't know why I'm recording the TV. I hope I don't get a copyright notice for that. But yeah, this is basically my vlog. Just a random snowy, rainy Saturday vlog. Still, let me look outside. You can see. I think it's still snowy. You may see the snow. Yeah. It's fucking bad out there. Right over there. Yep. But this is my video. I'll do more videos, vlogs, reviews, rants, any type of videos. See ya. Goodbye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this.